Let's determine if each 2 by 2 matrix is invertible by checking if its determinant is 0. I'll leave a link in the description to my video going over how to find inverses of 2 by 2 matrices. You may recall that the inverse of an invertible 2 by 2 matrix is given by this formula. It involves multiplication by this scalar, and the denominator, AD minus BC, is what we call the determinant. Since it's in the denominator, we need it to be non-zero. And that's how we check if a 2 by 2 matrix is invertible. If the determinant is non-zero, then yes, it's invertible, and that's how you find the inverse. And note that determinant, AD minus BC, is just the difference of the products of the diagonals. So AD minus BC. Let's get into these problems. So for matrix A, all we have to do is calculate the determinant. It's 1 times 0 minus 3 times 2. Again, it's just the difference of the products of the diagonals. 1 times 0, which is 0, minus 3 times 2, which is 6, so 0 minus 6, so negative 6. This is not 0, so A is invertible. Now what about the determinant of matrix B? Again, calculate the difference of the products of the diagonals. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract negative 2 times negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 6 is also 12. So the determinant is 12 minus 12, which is 0. And so B is not invertible. Now the determinant of matrix C. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Minus 0 times 0 is 0. So the determinant is negative 1. Hence, matrix C is invertible because its determinant is not equal to 0. Last example, the determinant of this matrix D. Again, it's just the difference of the products of the diagonals. 0 times 7 is 0, minus 0 times 0, so minus 0. So the determinant is 0, hence the matrix D is not invertible. And that's how to determine if a 2 by 2 matrix is invertible. Since the inverse has its determinant in the denominator, the determinant just has to be non-zero. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.